Hello guys and girls, and welcome to another episode of Minecraft Factions. This is on fastraid.net, but I'll not say it's like a factions episode. That's because it's more than info. That's because I'm not gonna upload some videos in 5 days because I'm in Brazil, so I'm in Brazil in 5 days, and I will come back. Yeah, I will come back in 5 days. But um, this is a little info video, but and a little crate. I'm gonna open two voting crate keys. So let's just get into it. Let's just see what we can get from it. So we can get gold and iron rank and gold and iron kit, 10k, 25k, the command near, the command back, the command feed, TNT obsidian, OP apples, crap, vote pick, vote axe, vote sword, level 1 kit, and some more bullshit. Let's just get into it. Come on. A rank. Oh, not that good. Oh, it's actually pretty good, but I don't need the iron ammo. The next one. Come on, a rank. What? I did not need a vote shovel. Jesus. But guys and girls, this was the little info video, just to say I'm not making videos in 5 days because I'm in Brazil. But see you next time in 5 days. Bye. Peace.